Hello students, welcome to chemistry revision. We were discussing about indicators. Today we are going to study about phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein is a synthetic indicator. It is prepared in labs using chemicals. It is a colorless solution. It is used as a test to know whether a substance is acidic or basic in nature. We just put a few drops of phenolphthalein in a solution of a substance. When we add phenolphthalein to a basic solution, the color of the phenolphthalein solution changes to pink. You can see in the picture. But when we add phenolphthalein to an acidic solution, it does not change its color. It remains colorless. If we add phenolphthalein to a neutral solution, it does not change color. Now, let us study what is neutralization. You can see the word neutralization. It is made from the word neutral. Neutral means making something neutral. We have already studied what is the meaning of neutral substances, which is neither acidic nor basic. So what is neutralization? When an acidic solution is mixed with a basic solution, both the solution neutralize each other. The resultant solution is neither acidic nor basic. It is a neutral solution. You can look at the diagram. One test tube contains acid, another test tube contains base. When we mix acid in a base, what happens? Salt is formed, water is formed, and heat is produced. So, a chemical reaction between an acid and a base that produces salt and water with the release of heat is known as neutralization. Have a look at the chemical equation of neutralization. Acid plus base reacts to form salt and water. Acid and base are undergoing a chemical reaction, so they are known as reactants. Reactants means the substance which reacts. Here acids and base both are reacting with each other and they are producing salt and water. So salt and water is referred to product. Now let us discuss about the applications of neutralization in our daily life. What do you do when you are suffering from acidity? You take an antacid. Do you know what is acidity and antacid? Acidity is the condition when our stomach produces excess of hydrochloric acid. It produces a sense of burning in our stomach. And antacid is a base which neutralizes the acidity in our stomach. Let us see how does antacid acts. As you know, the antacid is a base. It reacts with hydrochloric acid present in our stomach and neutralizes it. Neutralizes means it produces salt and water. This salt and water is a neutral solution. Hence, antacids gives us instant relief from acidity. What happens when an ant bites you? It releases an acid in our skin. How can we heal that? By applying something basic like baking soda paste or calamine lotion. The baking soda paste, it neutralizes the effect of acid. Now, we are going to discuss our new chapter, physical and chemical changes. First of all, let's see what are physical properties. Physical properties are the characteristics of an object, which we can simply tell by looking at it. It includes shape, color, state, weight, and temperature. You can look at the objects and can you tell its physical properties? You can see a cotton ball. It is solid, it is white, and it looks soft. Hot water, it is liquid, it is hot, and it is transparent. The metal ruler, it is solid, it is shiny, and it is smooth. The blue ink, it is liquid, and you can tell its color, it is blue.
Students, that's it for today. Good luck for your worksheet. Do it properly. Bye.